In this video, I'll show you how to create your own Facebook group in just a few quick and easy steps. I'll walk you through all the steps needed, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application, tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on the groups shortcut over here. After that, tap where it says, Your Groups. So now, in order to create a Facebook page, just tap the Create button over here, or tap the Create Group button over here. After that, type in a name for your group, and then choose the privacy of your group. Just tap on this, and choose whether you want to make your group public or private. Once you've done that, simply tap the Create Group button at the bottom center of the screen. Now you have the ability to invite your friends to your group. Simply tap the Invite button right next to someone. After that, tap Next. So now you can upload a cover photo for your group. Just tap where it says Upload Cover Photo, and it will open up your camera roll. Just select a photo, and then select which part of the photo you want to use as the cover. After that, tap Save. Once you've uploaded a cover photo, tap Next. So now you can add a little description to let people know what your group is about. Or if you don't want to do that right now, you can just skip it. And now you can choose goals. Choose the goals that best describe what people will be doing in your group. For example, you can checkmark Meet People, Learn or Share an Interest, and Give and Get Support. After that, tap Next. Now it will give you the option to create a post. You can skip this too if you don't want to do it right now. And now you've successfully created your very own Facebook group. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.